Okay.
Hi guys, it's me, Miss Stephanie. I'm going to show you a little bit about our school and about our classroom. So when you come into school, make sure you have your mask on, parents anyways. Kids, you can wear them if you want to. So you're going to come in and make sure you're standing on an X if somebody's in front of you, because we need to make sure you're 6 feet apart. Alright, so you're going to walk in. Parents, you're going to sign your child in this notebook. And then you're going to wait for somebody to open the door. They're going to take your temperature and ask you some questions before you can go into the building. Good morning, Miss Vivian.
Miss Stephanie, how are you?
I'm good.
Have you been around anyone related to COVID? Any symptoms or anything?
No, ma'am.
All right.
All right, now we're going to go in the classroom, or go in the building.
Hand sanitizer.
All right, and then before you can go into your classroom, you have to make sure you use hand sanitizer to keep our germs down. Now we're going to walk to our classroom. What you eat for breakfast, Mom? And I hope you notice our beautiful bulletin board. This is going to be our bulletin board for NC2. So whenever we have stuff to put up, this is where it's going to go. All right, so this is our classroom. But before you get into our classroom, these are our mailboxes. So if we have anything that we need to send home, we're going to stick it in these mailboxes so parents can check them before you guys go home. All right, so now we're going to enter our classroom. When you come into our classroom, you're going to be greeted by either Miss Wanda or Miss Stephanie or maybe even a friend. So this greeting board has 6 different options. You can pick one of these options to be greeted by. And below that is our home to school board. So when you come to school, you're going to find your name. You're going to pick it up and you're going to put it on school because you are now at school. And before you can do anything else, you have to go find your cubby to put your stuff away. So let's go find the cubbies. So everybody in our classroom has a cubby with a name on it. So you're going to come, you're going to put your stuff away. After you do that, you're going to wash your hands. So this is our sink. A lot of my friends can't reach the sink, so we have these steps right here. Make sure you're holding on to be safe. And you're going to come and you're going to wash your hands. I'm going to take my mask off so I can talk to you guys easier. So this is what I look like without my mask on. All right, now I'm going to show you a little bit about our classroom and about our different centers. So over here is our music center. And in music, you can make your own music. There's lots of different instruments. There's a CD player with some CDs. You guys can have fun dancing and putting on a show. Next to that, we have our dramatic play center. Dramatic play has lots of things that you might find in your house, but toy versions of them. So we have a refrigerator and a stove and microwave and oven, a sink, and then over here on this shelf, we have food and dishes, and a doctor's kit, and a vet kit, and a toolbox, and also lots of cleaning supplies. All right, so we're gonna walk on. Our next center that we have over here is our block center. We have 2 different shelves of blocks that you guys can pick from. And on top of the block center, we have some animals and some street signs and some cars and trucks. I bet you guys can have fun building things out of that. And next to that, we have what is called our Ready to Learn board. Everybody in our classroom has a name tag. They all have a really cute picture on them and then your name. Before you can go to centers, you have to find your name tag so you can go to that center. I wonder who can find their name. I bet you guys can. All right, so next to that, we have our writing center. Writing center is for writing our letters and our numbers, and they all look like this. And this here is over here for you to be able to look at so you guys know what to do. And there's also lots of different kinds paper and crayons and colored pencils. I can't wait to see what you guys write. So next to that is our big blue carpet. Our big blue carpet is where we're going to come for morning meeting every morning. You're going to do lots of things like sing songs and read books and have fun discussions. So that everybody's going to have a spot on the carpet for you guys to sit during group meeting time. And my group meeting time always starts out with the drum song. I wonder who likes drums in our group. All right, so right next to the group time, we have our library. So our library has lots of quiet activities in it. Obviously books. I hope you guys like books. It also has things like puzzles, but it's a very quiet center. So when you come over here, it's because you want to kind of mellow out and calm down. So that is library. Right next to library is our science center. And our science center has lots of different natural things in it, like bark and seashells and rocks. And it has things for you to look at them with, like magnifying glasses. And if you ever want to be alone by yourself, our cozy corner is right here. That is just for one person. Maybe you're feeling kind of sad or low or shy, or maybe you need to calm down. That would be a great place for you to go. Okay, so right next to our cozy center is our art center. So right here we have an art easel with some paint on it. You guys can paint a picture. And over here, we don't have it filled up right now, but it's going to be all of the art materials, markers and colored pencils and crayons and chalk for you guys to design something with. And right here is going to be paper. So you guys can choose whatever paper you want to make an art masterpiece. And I think that is about, oh no, one more center, manipulatives. I'm sorry. All right, this is manipulatives. Manipulatives are things you can build with your hands and do with your hands. So we have puzzles here, and we have other connectors that you guys can build things with. And we have some boards where you can do lacing and snapping and buttoning in here, and some connects for you to build with. But this is always a really fun center. My friends always really seem to enjoy this one. Well, and math. I almost forgot math. Goodness gracious. Miss Wanda's keeping me on track. All right, so this is our math center. Our math center has things that do with numbers, like clocks and measuring tapes. But it also has things like shapes. So here's a really cool shape puzzle that you can put together in order of size and shape and color. And I think that might be it now. Well, I hope you guys had fun looking at our classroom video, and I can't wait for you guys to come in. Bye!
You couldn't let me introduce myself.
Huh?
Turn around.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I almost didn't let Miss Wanda talk.
I'm Mrs. Wanda.
She was holding the video.
I'm very excited, and I can't wait to meet you guys. So I'll see you on the 24th.
Bye, guys.
Bye.